fix white blank desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of your desktop icon white. Here are the fixes. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search, and here type %app data% and open it. Click on open and it will open File Explorer. Here click on app data and here apply a double click on local. Here scroll down and you will find the option icon caches. If you not see icon cache option here, then simply click on 3 horizontal dot and choose option or choose view, show, and click on show hidden items. View, show hidden items. And now look for icon caches. It will definitely appear here. Simply select it and choose delete. Now your desktop icon will definitely show as per your color of icon. The next one is go to Task Manager under Process tab. Click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart Task. Your problem of white desktop icon is definitely resolved now. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.